Pakistani officials have extended their congratulations on the 73rd founding anniversary of the People's Republic of China and expressed their greetings and wishes to the Chinese government and people.
As they celebrate the 73rd founding anniversary of the People's Republic of China, on behalf of the Senate of Pakistan and the people of our nation, I take this opportunity to extend my sincerest wishes to the people and leadership of China.
China has become an example of growth, progress and prosperity for the developing world. We are confident that China would continue its steady march on the path of progress and prosperity and realize its cherished dreams of national rejuvenation.
In these 73 years, People's Republic of China has made phenomenal progress in economic, social, scientific, and technological fields. We will continue to strengthen our bonds of friendship and mutual trust and pursue a path of collective development.
We celebrate China's successful rise in the world, and together we shall see our historic relations with China reach new heights in the years to come.
It gives me immense pleasure to extend my heartiest felicitation to the government and the people of China on the occasion of 73rd anniversary of founding the People's Republic of China. I am confident that event will take our strategic partnership at its highest peak, which will bring development, stability, prosperity to our people as well as in the region.